Mike, I've heard the term durable power of attorney used a lot in estate planning. What exactly is it?
A durable power of attorney is a legal document that lets someone, called the principal, name another person to act as their agent. What makes it durable is that the authority stays in place even if the principal becomes disabled or incapacitated. So even if you lose your marbles, your agent can still act for you.
So this person can step in and help manage things if you're no longer able to.
Yep, exactly. It's often used to give someone the power to handle your financial affairs if you're not able to do it yourself anymore. And you can set it up to take effect right away or only if something specific happens, like you become incapacitated.
That sounds like a lot of responsibility. Who should someone choose as their agent?
You should only give that power to someone you absolutely trust because once it's in effect, that person can make financial decisions on your behalf, pay bills, manage accounts, even sell property. It's a powerful document and it needs to be treated with care. And Maddie, like there are horror stories of agents doing bad things with that power of attorney. Now, legally, your agent is a fiduciary to you, so they have to act in your best interest, but not everybody follows the law, right? And one of the things that's hard is if someone does something that they shouldn't do, um, usually it's a loved one doing it, so you have that kind of dynamic that is hard. And then typically when somebody steals from somebody using their durable power of attorney, they don't take the money and put it in CDs. They are usually covering up some sort of bad habit of theirs or trying to, like enrich their greedy lifestyle. So you really need to act with care and think about it. And for most people, it's usually pretty common to name their spouses, and their as a backup, maybe one or two of their kids. But not everybody has those choices. So it can be a really hard choice for a lot of people, and it needs to be taken with a lot of care. It's hard.
Got it. So it's about planning ahead and making sure the right person is in place to help if needed.
Yep, exactly. It's about planning ahead. One other thing I want to mention is, there you can have what's called a durable power of attorney that takes effect right away, or a springing power of attorney. And so the ones that we use are the ones that take effect right away. And sometimes people don't understand that. They would rather the person only have the power if there's an emergency and they are incapacitated and they can't do something. The problem with the springing power is that you need to prove to someone, the agent needs to prove to someone that the principal is incapacitated. So what that could mean is going up in your local county courthouse and telling the judge that the principal is incapacitated. So um, and I don't think most people would want if they become incapacitated, right? Like they're losing the ability to function and take care of themselves. I don't think anybody really wants to have like their close relative have to go to a court and try to convince the court that that's happening, right? So yeah, there's a little bit more risk in having your durable power of attorney be effective right at the start because the agent can do something right away, even if you wouldn't want them to. But what I'd say is, do it, sign it, have it in place, let the agent know where they can find it, and keep it in your possession, right? So have it in your safe in your house or in your locked drawer in your house, so that the agent doesn't have that temptation that they could go and do something. But don't use a springing one, unless you really have no other choice.